Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to withdraw your money from Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile phone. And after doing that, guys, go ahead and log into your account. So after opening up the application, guys, and logging to your account, this is going to be the main page that you're greeted by when entering the application, which is the home page of the game where you can see all the options you have. So guys, now let's say that you invested some money into this application, you bought something, but now you want to return your money because you're not using it. Well guys, this is how to do it. The first thing we have to do is go ahead and exit out the application, and we want to go ahead and open up the Play Store or the App Store depending on if you have an iPhone or an Android. So after doing that guys, now we can go ahead and click our profile picture in the upper right corner, and this is going to go ahead and open up this new menu with options where we can see multiple options such as manage apps and devices, offers, and so on. What we want to do guys is click this third option right here called payments and subscriptions. So guys, click on that, and here are multiple sections again that you can access such as payment methods, subscriptions, budget, and so on. You want to go ahead guys and click on budget in history. And in budget history guys, here you can see the history that you have of purchases on your account. So guys, now what you can do is go ahead and find the purchase for Candy Crush Saga that you have. Let's say this is the purchase right here because I don't have any other purchases, and you can go ahead and click on view, and guys, then you can go ahead and request a refund. So what you have to do guys is go ahead and contact Google Play to go ahead and request a refund. So click on your icon guys and click on help and feedback right here. And after clicking help and feedback guys, now you can go ahead and request your Google Play refund, and you can just go ahead and follow the steps so you can get a refund. So yeah guys, basically that is it, how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.